Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever looked at your Figma project and thought, these colors just don't feel right together, then this quick tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through how to easily create a color palette for your Figma design system UI using tools right inside Figma itself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to discover, install, and experiment with color palettes with confidence, making your designs look cohesive and professional. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the browser version. They both work exactly the same for this process. Take a second to make sure you're in the file or workspace where you want to add your color palette. It might sound simple, but starting in the right place will save you time later and keep your resources organized. Now look towards the bottom of the Figma interface, down where you usually see the main navigation and action bar. At the bottom, you'll spot an option called Actions. It's easy to miss if you're moving quickly, so just glance down and click on it. Actions is your gateway to extra Figma features, including plugins and widgets that can supercharge your workflow. Next, from the menu that pops up, click on Plugins and Widgets. This is where the magic happens. Plugins are like little apps for Figma that add new capabilities, and there is a massive community of creators constantly publishing new tools. Even if you've never used a plugin before, don't worry. Installing and using one is pretty straightforward. Type Color Palette into the search box at the top. You'll see several options pop up. I recommend checking the reviews and descriptions to choose one that fits your style and needs, but for the sake of this tutorial, just pick the first one that shows up. Click on it to open the plugin. The process might take a few seconds, especially if it's your first time using plugins, so don't worry if you see a little spinning icon or a loading screen. Once the plugin is up and running, you'll be presented with a variety of color palettes. Here's the fun part, browse through the options, and when you see a color combo that catches your eye, try it out on your design system frame, shapes, or components. This is your opportunity to experiment, so don't be afraid to mix things up or test a few palettes. Sometimes, the combination that feels a bit unconventional ends up looking fresh and unique. Think of it like picking out an outfit. Sometimes pairing unexpected colors creates the best result. As you test the colors, pay attention to contrast, readability, and how the colors work together across your whole layout. For example, ask yourself, does this blue stand out enough against the background? Is this yellow readable when used for text? These little checks will help make your palette not just visually pleasing but also functional for your users. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you find a palette you really like, you can save those colors as local styles in Figma, making it super easy to reuse them throughout your design system. If you don't love the first palette you tried, just go back into the plugin and sample a few more. It's meant to be a creative process and there's no rush. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're feeling inspired to play around and create some beautiful color palettes for your own designs. If you have any questions or if you want to share your favorite palette, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.